Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here inside DR Horton's community, the Heartland at Manor, and this is located in North Las Vegas. And today we are going to feature in my channel this model home, one-story home, 2754 plan, price at $633,000. This is starting price. Is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and 3-car garage. And this is a gated community located in a nice neighborhood. I'm going to show you guys how the house looks inside. So welcome to the 2754 plan. As you see here outside, we see the video doorbell, the smart big lock bolt, and as soon as you will get in, you will be greeted in this nice open foyer. Let's go check on the right side. This is the first bedroom over here. It's a nice size with one recessed light, nice window, and also there is a standard closet inside. Right next to this room, there is a shared bathroom right here. One single vanity and the combination tub and shower. Right next to the shared bathroom is another room. This is a nice size with a standard closet. And on the left side, you will see this multi-gen suite. It has its own living room, a kitchen right here. And this side is the laundry area. This is the private door with the multi-gen suite. Inside the multi-gen, there is a bathroom right here. And one linen closet on this side right here. This is another bedroom, nice size, with one recessed light, and also a standard closet here in this room. Okay, you guys, let's go check. Right here, your laundry room. And now into your open layout area. This one right here is your private dining room right here on the side. Now you're looking at your living room. It's a very nice open layout. Next to it, you're looking at your modern kitchen. huge island in the middle. Love the granite countertop. Love the box glass. Now let's go check your walk-in pantry. It's a nice size, plenty of space. Again, this is the 2754 plan, priced at $633,000. And this side right here is your another dining area. And now let's go check your primary bedroom. This is really nice, tons of space. Love that wall. Let's go check your walk-in closet. It's also a decent size, tons of space. And now let's go check your primary bathroom. Right here, this is a standard shower with the sitting area. And next to it is the separate tub. Very nice. With this open window. And right here on this side is your vanity. I love it. Now I'm going to show you guys the backyard. There's tons of space over here for entertaining. Again, this is a model home, so what you see here is an update. But just imagine the amount of space that they offer in this plan. Perfect for relaxing and entertaining family and friends. Again, if you guys are interested in owning one of the homes from DR Horton, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. I'll be happy to tour with you. You just need to come with me on the first day of the visit, so that way you'll be able to register. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe and like my video. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.